Now we are going to have discussion on a very important example on how to give the number of alpha particles and beta particles involved in the radioactive disintegration of thorium to lead. So according to the question says thorium is formed from 90 to 34 changing into the lead 80 to 206. Since we know lead is the end product, we can come to a conclusion it is a natural radioactive disintegration. Children, the first thing we have come to a conclusion it's a natural radioactive disintegration. We can also say whether it is 4n, 4n plus 2, 4n plus 3, what type of disintegration. Just divide the mass number by 4 and the remainder will say 4n plus what is the answer. So if I take an example 234, 32, it is 4n plus 2 series of disintegration series. So this comes under 4n plus 2 series of disintegration. So this is one conclusion I can say. For the competitive, any type of conclusions we should be able to write. So there will be some alpha and there will be some beta that is coming out. How do we get alpha and beta? Number of alpha is a minus a dash by 4. This is the formula where 234 corresponds to a and 206 corresponds to a dash. So again I am repeating 234 corresponds to a, 206 corresponds to a dash. Similarly 90 corresponds to z, 82 corresponds to z dash, so that we get beta is equals to z dash minus z plus 2 alpha. So we are going to use this formula in the upcoming slide to find the answer of this particular question. Let us go to the next slide. So number of alpha is equals to a minus a dash by 4 and we know 234 minus 206 by 4 is the option. 234 minus 206, we know this can be equivalent to 28. Correct or not? 28 plus 6, 34. Correct? 28 by 4, which is equals to 7. So how many alpha? 7 alpha is going to come. Now beta is equals to z dash minus z plus 2 alpha. This is going to be our option, where z dash is how much? Z dash is 82 minus 90 plus 2 into 7. So this is equals to minus 8 plus 14. If minus 8 plus 14 is equals to 6, so we can say 7 alpha and 6 beta are emitted in a process of radioactive disintegration. Let us check 7 alpha, 6 beta. So this is the very easy process, children. Just remember the formula. We can easily solve this. Again repeat you. What is the formula we are using? Alpha is equals to a minus a dash by 4 and beta is equals to z dash minus z plus 2 alpha. Using this formula, we are able to find this question very easily.